Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn German. In the previous class we have learned about greeting. Today we will learn some common phrases which is used in daily life. So let's start. First one is hello. Hello. In German, hallo, hallo, hello, hallo, hello, hallo. Next one, okay. In German also, okay. Both are pronunciation almost same. Next one, thanks, danke, thanks, danke. You are welcome. Bitte. You are welcome. Bitte. Repeat again. Thanks. Danke. You are welcome. Bitte. Next. Thank you very much. Danke sehr. Danke sehr. Mention not. Bitte sehr. Bitte sehr. Thank you very much. Danke sehr. Mention not. Bitte sehr. Next. Excuse me. The pronunciation of excuse me some difficult. Listen carefully. Excuse me. Entschuldigung. 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 Excuse me. Entschuldigung. Best of luck. Viel Glück. Viel Glück. Viel Glück. Repeat again. Excuse me. Entschuldigung. Entschuldigung. Best of luck. Viel Glück. Viel Glück. Next. I love you. Ich liebe dich. Ich liebe dich. I love you too. Ich liebe dich auch. Ich liebe dich auch. Repeat. I love you. Ich liebe dich. I love you too. Ich liebe dich auch. Ich liebe dich auch. Next. I like you. Ich mag dich. Ich mag dich. I like you. Ich mag dich. I like you too. Ich mag dich auch. Ich mag dich auch. Sorry, the English word of like is mistake. K word is mistake. This is common mistake, typing mistakes. But this is I like you too. Ich mag dich auch. Ich mag dich auch. Let's go. Gehen wir. Let's go. Gehen wir. See you. Schaut. See you. Schaut. See you. Schaut. Repeat again. Let's go. Gehen wir. Gehen wir. See you. Schaut. See you. Schaut. Thanks for watching. We will meet next video from learn lesson 3. So